Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping your name. This immediately accesses iCloud and family sharing controls. Next, tap Family Sharing and choose Set up Family Sharing so you're the organizer. Select the features to share, purchases, iCloud storage, location, screen time, because that determines what family members can access. Once done, add people by entering their Apple ID or sending an invite. This starts the invite flow and prepares each device to accept shared content and services. You now add family members. Tap Add Member, choose Invite via iMessage or enter their Apple ID and send. When they accept on their device, their account links to your group. Make sure to set Ask to Buy for children so purchases need approval. Enable or disable shared Apple Music, iCloud storage, and shared photo albums according to needs. Also check the family payment method. Once linked, purchases route through the organizer, so adjust purchase sharing if you want limits. You finish by verifying every member appears under Settings right arrow Family Sharing and that invites are accepted. If something fails, purchases not shared or subscriptions missing, first check the organizer's payment method and that each Apple ID uses the same country or region settings. For location or shared album problems, make sure Share My Location is enabled on each device and that iCloud Photos is active. If issues persist, sign out and back into
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.